Please check out channel here. Today I have some really cool trains. It's a dinosaur trains. Here you can see how colorful these trains are, made after the dinosaur train. And look at this. Oh, sorry, the first one fell. I didn't mean to. And the second one, look at this. So you can also connect them, and they have so many different colors on them. And look at this. These are the tracks that come with it. And here you can see, can you see the dinosaurs like footsteps? So, and they remind me of, you know, taking play tracks. Here I have another one. This one is really cool. Oh, you see? So as soon as you press it, they are motorized. You can see. So this is the button, which is like hidden button. You press the funnel and it goes. Alright, so more. You can see here is a very cool. This is, you can see also dinosaur shape, and this is a card that goes with it. You can connect it. I'm gonna try to connect it. A couple more and more. Oh, look at this one. This is the one that goes with the blue one, I believe. And here you can see. I'll show you more. So now is the time to connect it, and let's see how they perform. Here you can see. Oh, sorry, this is probably the station. Yeah, the tickets. This kind of station. Oh, this is such a cool thing. Look. So these are the stations where the dinosaur train will start the journey. Okay, let me try to connect it. Here you can see. This is how you can connect it. This nice. And then what else goes with it? I still didn't put the tracks. Let me put the tracks here. Put the tracks. And more. Here is the other one. This one, the engine is not working, but you can still push it like this, and on the track, definitely on the, you see, looks good here. And there's a lot of space on it, so you can keep a lot of stuffs. But one thing, you know, I didn't like it. The funnel is too big, so you know, for the little kids, anytime they can bump it, and you see it's already missing. It has been played a lot and it's already missing. But anyway, if you can take care of it, the funnel looks good too, huh? So, but this one is kind of camouflaged. You can see orange, so you can barely yeah, you can see. But anyway, the rain will be a little better. Ooh. Those who like trains and dinosaurs together, not a bad option, huh? It's a good option. Here comes the dinosaur train. Look at this. On the surface without track. It goes really cool. The way it's running. not very fast. I mean, that's how the train should be, not too fast, unless it is bullet train. Okay, now you can see all three. This is what I have here. These are not very like common, you don't see them everywhere, huh? So I got them from a toy seller. Here you can see all three. Which one you like most? Oh, they look cool, huh? For the kids, these are cool because these are, you know, very colorful and they run by themselves. Especially two of them should run. The other one won't. The other one, I don't know. You can just push along with it, like this one. It's not motorized. You can see there's no battery. Here, this one. It would probably, but you can see the funnel has been broken. It's too long funnel, so this has been broken. Alright, thank you viewers. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe. Check other videos. Thank you.